How can system logs predict hardware failure in your OS? Have you ever wondered how your operating system can predict hardware failure before it actually happens? System logs play a vital role in this process. These logs are records created by your operating system and hardware components. They document events, errors, warnings, and other operational details. By analyzing these logs, we can identify patterns that may indicate potential hardware issues before they lead to system crashes or breakdowns. At a basic level, system logs capture important messages related to hardware status. This includes temperature warnings, disk read and write errors, memory faults, and unexpected device resets. By continuously monitoring these logs, your operating system or specialized software can detect abnormal patterns or recurring error messages. For instance, if you see repeated disk input and output errors in the logs, this could signal an impending hard drive failure. More advanced systems take this a step further. They use machine learning and pattern recognition techniques to analyze large volumes of log data. These systems pre-process raw logs to filter out irrelevant information and categorize events for better analysis. They compare current log patterns against historical failure data to identify error signatures linked to specific hardware faults. This approach improves prediction accuracy by recognizing subtle trends that might go unnoticed by human eyes. Different operating systems, such as Windows, Linux, and macOS, generate system logs in various formats and locations. However, all of them provide access to hardware-related events. For example, Windows uses the event viewer to log system and hardware events, while Linux employs syslog or journalctl. macOS uses the unified logging system. Tools and failure prediction models can be adapted to each operating system's logging framework to extract relevant data. In practical use, system administrators and automated monitoring tools relying on these logs for proactive maintenance. When prediction algorithms detect warning signs in the logs, they can trigger alerts or automated actions. This might include running diagnostics, scheduling hardware replacements, or adjusting workloads to prevent failure. By addressing hardware issues before they escalate, this predictive capability can significantly reduce downtime and maintenance costs. Recent developments in technology include using large language models and artificial intelligence to enhance log analysis. These models can interpret complex log sequences and predict system crashes, providing explanations of probable causes. This further improves the ability to predict hardware failure. System logs enable hardware failure prediction by recording detailed operational events. When analyzed, especially with machine learning, they reveal early warning signs of hardware problems. This capability varies somewhat depending on the operating system's logging system but is broadly applicable across major operating systems. By utilizing system logs effectively, we can improve system reliability and maintenance efficiency.